Ka Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meets Arhajar Arpaule wapenman da ka Office Yong District Sport Officer West Giant Hill District Chirup ikre lang ka West Giant District Sport Association Depoy ka chuwakut hak arpa pradrik uniu benai hamadan kiang nang ba stadium juai Waina perdi kili pawitli ki skor wachim benta hagani ka inter-school ka skor not Liberty Higher Secondary School juai to ko wan nyngkong do heyakop yong ki kerdan waper Kijay Yakob hakani ki inter-school kentup na do ipet pela ka long jump, high jump, shot put, javelin throw, relay wa kiwi, dewa baha haki kerdan waper ya kentai wa cenrang. Yenam best athlete yong news nem haka under 14 boys da yora da kraw borlang lengdo na ka skor not Liberty High Secondary School juai. Haka under 14 girls dara da ka adora bela sentem na ka skor HK Singh Memorial Secondary School juai. Hak under 16 boys dara da Udamitri Kenjing, hak under 16 girls dara da Kedai Krisya Dan, hak under 18 boys dara da Saje Miki Shela, hak under 18 girls dara da Spiro Miliora Langstang, pensongut kini to na skor not Liberty High Secondary School juai. Heya to ka nambes team under 14 boys dara ka not Liberty High Secondary School juai, hak under 14 girls dara da Police Public School, haka under 16 boys dara da Not Liberty High Secondary School juai, haka under 16 girls dara da Not Liberty High Secondary School juai, haka under 18 boys dara da Government Boys High Secondary School juai, haka under 18 girls da yora da Not Liberty High Secondary School juai. Kadwa ye nam best discipline da yora da Saint Mary Magziralo High Secondary School juai. Yagani ki inter-school athletic meet da wan penhap perda da MLA ka thain uwailat Miki Shela hewa da kentu le ye ki bachim benta khamtam ki wayora nam jom o nang le chitom chu ki chakman ong le wani liang umontri rang ba do ka sarkar jalla da yele o sedang bon ki program ne benta o yarap ye ki khon khro khlon la he to o ka spon ne ki won ki jaj e sikai wo yato hisab wo pher hewa wat o hile na semen da perchango kam te kentu wa iwasa to sokre chitom don higi
699.
Under the leadership of our Chief Minister, you have started many programs to help you, the youth. Whether it is the YES program to support the different sport club, whether to increase the prize money of the medal winners, and many more. There are many opportunities, but it's just up to you that you need to work hard. Even now, I feel so shame on myself or on my country. Why? Because a single person has more gold medal in Olympic than our country. Our country of 130 crores population. But a single person of different country has more gold medal than our country. So you have an opportunity on yourself. You have an opportunity on yourself to create history. If you remember just recently, this Neeraj Chopra won a gold medal in javelin throw. Not for months, but for years, we were speaking about him, cheering and celebrating for that single gold medal. So like I said, you have a very huge opportunity on yourself to bring fame and name, to write your name in history, not only on the district, the state, but for the country. So once again, I'd like to congratulate the Office of the District Sport Officer and all his teams, because as we can see, there were many, especially the volunteers, the referees, because it is very difficult, and especially this year that as many 31 schools, a record, 31 schools had participated. Let's give a round of applause for all the schools who has come and participate in this event today.